Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Oyster card in London. Now this will be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So an Oyster card is a smart card that you can add money to so you can pay as you go. You can use it on public transport in London, including the London Underground, buses, trams and many local train services. Here's how we can use it. To start with, you must touch in. At the start of your journey, touch your Oyster card on the yellow card reader at the gates, and there's a picture on screen to show you exactly what that looks like. From there, you can travel. The fare depends on when you travel, and it's cheaper to travel at off-peak times. And lastly, you can touch out. At the end of your journey, touch your Oyster card again on the yellow card reader, but please note, you do not need to touch out at the end of your journey on buses and trams. And remember, if you do not touch your card in and out every time, the system will not know which journey you have made, and you may be charged a maximum fare. You can top up your Oyster card at any tube station, as well as online, and at many corner shops and information centres. Credit on your Oyster card never expires, so you can use it any time you're in London. For more detailed information, you can visit the official Transport for London website. So that's how you can use your Oyster card in London. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.